Hello again, time for another video. I recently got hold of this padlock, Draper Expert 61mm. There's the key for it, which works quite well. It's got quite a lot of tension on the key there, which makes it difficult to gauge the right amount of tension to put on for picking. I have been picking at it for the last hour or so, trying to get it right. Like I say, I've recently got hold of this, but I've also got this lock, and they're identical in every way. Well, yeah, every way, drain holes, everything exactly the same. The only difference I would say is possibly the keyway. You can see it there. Having said that, I think this keyway used to look like this until it was picked to death, and you can see what it looks like now. It's a very, very worn lock, this old Chubb. Anyway, we're on about this one. We'll see if we can get it picked. Get myself comfortable. We'll begin. False set. Very hard to feel any feedback because of the tension that you're putting on. Pin 3 here now. That's the false set. No. False set back. Another slight little nudge on the core. Pin 5. And there, got it open. Actually, that's one of the quicker openings I've had on this lock, which was quite pleasant. Right, let's get let's tilt this down a bit. And let's get it gutted. Now we can lock it up. Way too big. This is where I'm going to stop myself. Oh, got it. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Some serrations there. Can't see anything in there. Looks pretty standard. No, all standard. One, steel standard. 2, little spool. 3, little spool. 4, a little spool. 6, a little spool. And 5, a little spool. That all looks pretty standard as well. Right, just see if I can get a close in of this. Just tilt this down. Right. Key pins, as far as I can see, just see if I can zoom in a bit. Serrated on 1 and 2, 3 is a tiny little standard, 4 serrated, 5 is small little standard, and 6 is serrated. Top pins, first one is steel standard, and the other 5 are all small spools. Right, I think that's about it. I think I've covered everything. Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye.